Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, welcome. My name is Arcely, and today's video I'm gonna make a Filipino version of soup with Upo. Upo is a vegetables, and I'm going to insert the picture of it so you will know what's that look like. And also this is collaboration with my new friend here in YouTube, and her channel is Fatima A. I put her channel in my description box below, so I hope you guys to check her out, and thank you so much for watching. Hi guys, good morning. Here it's 11 o'clock. So, ang sarap nito guys. Sobrang sarap ng pineapple. Yung pineapple guys nito, itong pineapple, pinoprosen ko siya. Bumili ako ng fresh, tapos kinakat ko siya, tapos nilagay ko sa freezer. Kasi sometimes mabilis lang pag ng pinipreser mo. So, yeah. Kumain ako nito, then manood ng YouTube. So here's my soup, and I'm going to have a rice. For this vegetables, can you try some? It's Filipino vegetables.
Is apple?
Just try once, then tell me if you like it or not.
Mm-hmm.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like soup? Do you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm about to clean.
I'm about to clean.
I'm about to clean this soup, and she decide to eat.
Well, yeah.
Yeah. You're gonna eat it with rice?
No.
No, just that. Okay. When you're done, that one put
Actually,
it in the
never mind.
fridge.
I have.